Stop buying expensive laundry detergent. Here's how I make my own laundry soap. Start by adding 1 cup of Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda to your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of borax. Now, grate 1/4 bar of laundry soap and add it to the mixture. Mix everything together until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Once it's fully mixed, transfer it to an airtight container or a resealable bag for storage. For a small load, use about 1 tablespoon. For a regular load, use 2 tablespoons. For a large or heavily soiled load, use 3 tablespoons. Here's a quick tip. For musty-smelling towels, use 3 tablespoons of the homemade laundry soap and add 1 cup of white vinegar to the wash. It helps remove odors and leaves your towels smelling fresh. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.